The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 13th of July. I'm James Spann again today. Strong storms around in scattered spots. Some locations getting sun, some locations getting drenched. We'll pretty much stay in the same pattern through midweek. Here we go. This is the upper air look, and you know what you're about to see. We've seen this persistent pattern pretty much for the summer. A big upper high over the southwest United States. The weather there hot and dry. We have broad troughing over the eastern states downstream, and that's responsible for the rather unsettled weather we've seen here in recent weeks. There's the visible satellite view. And again, for parts of the state, the sky is mostly sunny. For other parts of the state, they've got big storms in progress. That was the radar. About 2:20 this afternoon, the heavier storms over the northwestern part of the state from Tuscaloosa north up toward Haleyville. Those are gradually moving towards the northeast today. More storms could pop up at basically any point for the next 5 or 6 hours. Temperatures are still well below average. We can celebrate that. 79 for Haleyville, Birmingham and Tuscaloosa 85, Anniston 82. There's the watch warning map. There's a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Pennsylvania and New York this afternoon. Flash flood watches for parts of the southwest as the monsoon cranks up there, and a few locations out west with excessive heat advisories and warnings. Here's the severe weather possibilities through tonight. There is an enhanced risk over parts of Wyoming and South Dakota. Risks for parts of the northeast United States, the southwest, also parts of the Florida Peninsula, marginal risk there. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk over parts of Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin. A marginal risk across the Northeast. And day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk from the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles over to the eastern Great Lakes around Detroit and Cleveland. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the west is dry. In Alabama, heavier totals over the northwestern corner of the state. This is suggesting about 4 inches around the shoals. 1 to 3 inches for the rest of North Alabama. South Alabama generally under 1 inch, and this is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. In the tropics, the NHC guys have a little X out there in the North Atlantic, northeast of Bermuda. There's just a 10% chance of that developing in the short term and the long term. The bottom line is the Atlantic basin stays very quiet. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Again, the heights are coming up a little bit, the ridge a little stronger, so showers probably fewer in number tomorrow. They'll still be around, just probably not as many. The sky partially sunny with highs in the upper 80s. Pretty much the same thing Thursday, scattered afternoon and evening storms, partly sunny with upper 80s. And then Friday, another trough approaches. We'll probably start to see an increase in the number of showers and storms again. The high Friday, mid-80s. And for the weekend, warm, muggy conditions Saturday and Sunday with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, and we'll be dodging the scattered showers and storms again. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Evidence here the better coverage could be over the northern part of the state, but any part of Alabama could certainly see scattered storms this weekend in this type of environment. Pretty much the same thing on Monday of next week, and Tuesday, a week from today, got an upper low that's not too far from Kansas City. 597 heat bubble out west. And again, for us, we'll have a warm, muggy day with a number of showers and storms around. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, July 23rd. Got a 594 upper high across the region, and that looks relatively quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble between now and the end of the month. The mean about 3 inches. We might touch 90 Thursday or Friday, but I think most days we stay in the mid to upper 80s, lows around 70, and hot off the presses. The brand new Cpc Outlook, this is for July 21st through July 27th, and once again, we're seeing temperatures around here below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be
a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.